sum function. How does auto sum function work? Okay. Now we are going to see about that. How does auto sum function work? Okay. And here we are going to discuss one by one all these functions. Okay. Now auto sum. Now see here. I am going to explain about the auto sum. Okay. See. Suppose that this is the worksheets and where we have entered the data. Now I am going to enter the next data. Okay. Now here. Okay. Writing calculators. Okay. English. Okay. Might be we are going to add here. Okay. Now next. If you want to add the new cells, just to click over here. Okay. I have already told that. And okay, suppose that you are entering over here. Now right click and insert. Okay, now see here the one column has been inserted and we can insert here English. Okay, and if you want to insert on that side, just go there and select there and insert. Okay, after math the one subject is maths after computer, COM. Okay, computer we are going to install. After computer we are going to install one subject again. Okay, now we are going to insert the maths already given, English, Hindi. Okay, Hindi. Okay, 1 2 3 4, one subject more. That's we are going to insert Hindi, English, maths, science, SC. Okay, now we are going to put the numbers. Now see here, we are going to put the some numbers which will be okay. Okay, now see here, now we are going to okay student, now we are going to put the marks of science. I know that science people has got the many good marks, but I think so. Now see here, now we are going to make the calculation of the auto sum. How we can use the auto sum? Okay, see here, here is the function given that auto sum. If you are not looking, just look here. Okay, I am going to denote this auto sum function. Okay, see. Okay, this is the auto sum function. Okay, and if you are not, then you can see. See here. Okay, this is the auto sum function is here. Now we can, here we are going to do this. How we can do this? From here to here. Okay, here we apply the auto sum function. Now see how we are going to apply the auto sum function. Now okay, after that we'll select here. After selecting, okay, and we just click on this. Okay, we just click over here and that's called the auto sum. Okay, now see, here we are going to apply apply this AutoSum function. First of all, and click over here. Now see here, the sum of the has been come 428. After that, we just calculate for this also. Just click here and put the mouse pointer and it will come in the cross section and just drag down. Okay, when we drag down, the others will also automatically sum with there. And this is the way how we can apply the auto sum function to add the any numbers. Here now we are going to see the next, that called the next function, average. You know that how to take out the average. Average means, okay, now here we are going to apply the average function. Just we start the equal function and function that is called the average. Okay, and select the this and put the parenthesis over there. And okay, now we are going to take out the average. Okay, delete this a b e r a g. Okay, now we are going to adjust this cells also. Okay, equal to sign and average a. Okay, we can select from the, okay, network is slow so it's not showing the average, and we can select up here also. A, now network is slowing. A, B. Okay, see here average is given here. Okay, now we are going to press the, okay, 85.86, it's the average. Okay, average means that we can sell the range from here, how many range are there, and just we'll grab it. Now see, the all the average is showing over here. And if you are getting the mistakes, just we are going to take out the under function called the percentage. Okay, now see here, we have take out the percentage equal to sign. Okay, h2 h2 divide by number subject 1 2 3 4 5 5 press enter. The same will come percentage and average. See here. Okay, in the next video we will discuss the other function method. Okay student, thank you.